Hey there, James Thomas with Patriot Dry Vent Cleaning here in San Antonio. So one of the questions that we get asked frequently is, okay, it says $75 flat rate, but what does that mean? Well, here's what it means. It's a flat rate of $75. There are no hidden fees. There are no hidden charges. We're going to come to your home. We're going to clean your dryer vent from the exterior of the home, whether it be on the roof or the side of the house. And we're going to clean your entire dryer vent system from the exit point down to wherever the dryer vent meets the wall. Now we can offer this because we've done it right. We've invested in the right tools and the right equipment so that we can be the most efficient and effective at what we do, so that we're offering a good value for your hard-earned money. We're a veteran-owned company located right here in San Antonio, Texas. And again, it's a flat rate of $75 with no hidden fees. So check us out. We have an incredibly simple scheduling program on our website at www.cleanmydryervent.org. Check out the site. You can go on there and pick the most convenient day and time for you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Bye.